Welcome! This is the O2 Family Tablet Bundle, sold by O2 in the UK. It's got an Alcatel 3T8 tablet, and it also includes 24 months of subscription to Azoomee. Azoomee is a multiple award-winning fun learning platform for kids aged 5+. Azoomee is supported by the NSPCC in the UK. We're here to make learning really incredible through the games and videos that kids love. Let's take a look inside. Let's open it up. And here the first thing that the parent who opens up this box will see is the activation code that allows them to activate Azoomee and get 2 years of access for their child. Really 3 simple steps. Go to the website, create an account, and enter in this code. Okay, so now the main event is the tablet itself. Wow, look at that. So, first thing of course is that this rubber bumper, it's going to really keep the tablet super safe. Now we're going to go through the setup process. Now we need to just create our new Azoomee account. So first I'm going to enter in my email address, and then I need to enter in the voucher code, which we see here. And that's it. The first thing that the parent or child will see right on the screen, right in the center, is Azoomee, pre-installed and ready to go. And all I need to do now is log in with those same details. And that's it. Now you create a profile for your child, you tell their age so that we can serve age-appropriate content, and that's it. Let's dive into Azoomee. Our app provides unlimited access to premium games, videos, and activities in one place. Everything is selected by a team of educators, so parents know their kids are always safe, learning things, and also having fun.